Hey, good evening, South Jersey. I'm Meteorologist Joe Martucci. Yes, we are talking about coastal flooding during the evening high tide here and looking to be just in minor flood stage for your Thursday evening. So the susceptible spots will have water on them. Not everywhere, and no homes and businesses are expected to be impacted. We go to the Friday morning high tide. Long Beach Island along the bay side looks to be in minor flood stage. We extend that out to Friday during the PM high tide, getting into a couple of areas. Then we're looking good Saturday morning. We're even watching out for another round as we go into Saturday evening. Let's take a look at our temperatures. It turned out to be a beautiful warm day for the most part. Sorry to Harvey Cedars at 56 degrees, but we had a warm front here along the region. That gave us plenty of warm air, but look at the northern half of the state, even to Long Island, Connecticut, 48 degrees due to that east-northeast wind that we had. But this is going to continue to rise to the north. This is our setup through Friday. Notice all that warm air coming in from the Gulf of Mexico into our region. That's thanks to these two high pressure systems out in the Atlantic, big low pressure system out in the Great Lakes. And as we go forward in time for the Friday night through early Saturday time frame, this cold front sweeps east, and as it does so, it will bring a round of thunderstorms which could be strong to severe. We are in a marginal risk. That is a level 1 risk of severe weather as we go into the early morning hours on Saturday, 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. This can still be updated. It's going to be very similar, not only with timing, but in terms of the impacts from what we had on Monday morning. So some power outages in the realm of possibility, wind damage, isolated areas of that. Cannot rule out a tornado, very low threat, but I do think actually the main impacts will be the flooded roadways compared to Monday. This has a little more juice in terms of the rainfall, so we will watch out for that. For this evening, though, beautiful across the area. 50s at the shore, yes, it is cooler, but overall, good amount of sunshine here. Turns into a mainly clear and lovely evening here for any outdoor gardening or taking a walk. And as we go into 10 p.m., the clouds start to build in, but it's going to be a very, very mild night here in South Jersey. Similar more to late June rather than middle of April here. Cooler at the shoreline because of the ocean temperatures, but it does turn balmy and breezy as we go into the overnight hours. Then for Friday, 72 for our high in the mainland. The morning is dry, but the afternoon we'll start to see showers and storms. They're not going to be everywhere, and it's far from a washout. We have a strong southwest to south wind that blows. Here is your spring planter. Cutting grass is good since you will be able to dodge in and out of these storms that happen in the afternoon. Otherwise, a couple of issues just due to the rain. It's going to be sporadic in nature, though. We go to our mainland 7-day forecast. Let's look at our holiday weekend for you. 62 degrees is our low on Friday night, really into Saturday morning, and that should be enough to actually get us the record for the warmest low temperature on Saturday, as long as it stays above 72 by midnight, because we get down to 47. Then we go to Saturday afternoon. Going to break for some sunshine after that morning rain and the storms pass. Easter itself, good amount of cloud cover, but it's not a washout. I would say at this point, 50 to 70% of your day is dry. And then as we go into the rest of the week here, we'll flip over to the shore 7-day for you. Monday, 65 degrees. We're kind of hovering around seasonable here as we go into next week. We are looking mostly dry. There will be a front around from Tuesday through Thursday, but right now, Tuesday looks to be the only day that has some wet weather. We'll be talking more about the severe thunderstorms. You can go on social media for that, Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at AC Press Martucci, or our website, thepressofac.com/weather.